CSI Works has been around for quite some time, and we have been providing tobacco scan data services on Clover point of sale for Altria, Reynolds, and ITG. And we are fully capable of providing the reporting on a weekly basis automatically for the transactions that are coming out of Clover for these three manufacturers. When you work with CSI Works, we can work with all of the promotions that Altria offers, tiers 1, tiers 2, tiers 3. And if you know Altria, you understand the tiers, you know what I'm talking about. So any promotional initiative that Altria works with retailers, you can do through CSI Works utilizing any Clover device. Multi-pack, loyalty, digital coupons, all of it. If you're working with Reynolds, you can do all of their promotional initiatives today. There's no waiting for years, waiting for 6 months. No, Reynolds has been running promotional initiatives for quite some time. Ever since we have developed Reynolds, they have been doing multi-packs, and at least in the past 2 years, they've also been doing loyalty programs for a huge array of their brands, Views, Velo, the Newports, Camels, some of the other ones I can't name, right? So the point is that with CSI Works, we can get the merchants engaged into Reynolds and into Altria. As far as ITG is concerned, at the moment, all we can do with ITG is report the weekly reports through MSA and no promotions like multi-packs or loyalties. It is true that there was another provider, Skupos, that was working on Clover, and Skupos has a bit of a different model than CSI Works in terms of how everything is set up and the relationships are configured, and which is why merchants that were utilizing Skupos were never able to do Reynolds, and they would wait and wait and wait, and they could do ITG with Skupos, and Altria is Altria, and they could have done that too. So the point of difference at the moment is that merchants that are coming to CSI Works from Skupos, because Skupos is leaving Clover, they now can finally do Reynolds, no problem. Reynolds is available, and merchants that have been waiting for Reynolds for years on Skupos didn't need to wait. Now they can do Reynolds. They always could have done Reynolds for many years ago. ITG, we are hoping to bring that program back, and we're working diligently towards that goal for merchants to be able to continue to do the promotions that they have done for ITG utilizing Skupos solution. So transitioning away from Skupos today means that you can continue doing your Altria, all of the tiers, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. You can now do your Reynolds, multi-packs, loyalties, anything that your Reynolds rep wants, you can do utilizing CSI Works and any Clover device, no problem. It really has never been about the Clover devices. And then there's ITG, which you may have been able to do utilizing Skupos, but Skupos is now leaving or left, depending on when you're watching this video, Clover, and with it took away the ability for anybody to provide ITG on Clover. CSI Works is obviously in talks with ITG, and I'm sure other providers are as well. So stay tuned. I'm sure that we're all working really hard to bring that program back for merchants. But the trade-off is clear. You weren't able to do Reynolds, now you can do Reynolds. And talk to us about just what is the benefit of just reporting for ITG through MSA. Thank you.